Hello everyone! Welcome to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to show you what supplies you will need for this course. Here we go! In this course, you only need an eraser, a pencil, a marker, and some paper. The pencil and eraser are used for making draft of the art letters. Of course, you can also make a sketch of drawing before you draw with a marker, but we can just use the marker to draw the picture. Basically, any kind of pencil will do, but if you want to make a draft easier to be totally removed, it would be better to use a 2B or 3B pencil like this. For drawing, it's okay for any kind of marker, but if you want to keep your drawing nice for a long time, or if you will color it by watercolor or color pens after the drawing, I would suggest you use the permanent marker, or your line and color could be very messy. The paper I used for this course is AA B5 ATGSM copy paper. This is a kind of handy high-quality paper for drawing, and it's also easy to draw by color pencil. But if you will apply the color by watercolor after drawing, I would recommend you use art paper or watercolor paper. You can also use art paper or construction paper to make greeting cards with your drawing. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the course. Bye!